The great thing about CES and in person, or the people you run into, I ran into Mike here, and he looks like he's kind of got autonomous stuff built into him, or on you. What the heck are you doing walking around with this thing?
Well, nice to meet you, Ken. So today we're walking around, we're walking around with this portable LiDAR system. It's comprised of two Velodyne sensors and a 360 camera system, and it allows us to basically walk around using SLAM LiDAR technology to capture imagery in 3D of a space. This data can be used for architecture, engineering, construction, and at CES, obviously, there's a lot of interest in building digital twins and the metaverse of the metaverse, as we say.
Well, it definitely could be useful for mapping out these halls. It's so hard to find things around here, right?
Yeah, certainly there's lots of possibilities with location intelligence, navigation, wayfinding. This is a big place, and it'll take a long time to scan it, but we're interested in talking to people that want to scan their spaces.
Well, and you mentioned some industrial applications, say an oil refinery.
Sure. We've been talking to some industrial customers. They have manufacturing facilities. Obviously, these are complex environments with machinery and water and hydraulics and compressed air. And they're all, of course, in need of upgrades and understanding and maintenance. So the goal is to basically digitally transform these environments so the smart people don't need to go to them. They can actually just analyze the data, whether it's on the screen or some sort of virtual reality headset or augmented reality headset that allows them to understand and collaborate on what the important issues are.
Yeah, so that specialized engineer, whatever it might be, can stay back and not have to travel thousands and thousands of miles.
Well, we're in an age of COVID, and certainly not a lot of people are traveling. So if we can help with digitizing and digitally transforming environments, particularly industrial environments, complex environments, that's part of our goal there.
And this is a service, right?
Yeah, yes, we are a service provider here in the Boston area, but we've got reach. We've got reach across a couple of communities, including the defense community.
Okay, interesting. Yeah, I can imagine they have a lot of applications for this.
The defense community, has a lot of buildings. They've got a lot of old buildings. That's we can start with that. Obviously there are other possibilities, but we live in an age of ubiquitous imagery, but it's all 2D. 3D imagery, 3D data, that's coming.
So, how heavy is this thing?
It's not terribly heavy. It weighs about 9 kilos, about 19 pounds. It can get a little burdensome after a while, but we have some young, strong people to help us out with that.
Excellent. Well, I should let you take a load off and get some lunch, and I appreciate your time.
Ken, good to talk to you.
Likewise. Thanks.